First, power on your Element Xumo TV. To pair, press and hold the TV button on the remote until the LED lights up. Now, enter a 4-digit code. Start with 1001, a common code for Element TVs. Test the pairing by pressing volume up and down buttons. If it doesn't work, try alternative codes like TELN10 or TELN25. For newer models post-2023, the Xumo app offers Bluetooth pairing under Settings, simplifying the process. Remember to keep your remote software updated for the best experience. Now let's expand control to other devices. Programming codes map your remote buttons to device functions. Find the code list in your user manual or on the Element website. For example, use code 0001 for Comcast cable boxes or 2001 for Sony audio devices. Enter these codes using the remote setup menu or the Xumo app. Connect your devices to the TV using HDMI or optical cables. Then, use the Input button on your remote to switch between sources. Access the TV's menu to customize input assignments for one-button switching. Pro tip: ensure line of sight for the IR signals and replace batteries if the remote is unresponsive.